Alright, well, let's see if we can do something with this. We have an x cubed. I don't know, I'm just going to write it out. We have x cubed plus, let's see, we have a 2x squared and no other like terms. We have a minus 3x, and it doesn't look like we have any like terms there either. We have a y and an x squared, 2xy. Yeah, it's not looking like we can really do anything here. This is a 2xy and minus 3y. Okay, well, that's all we can do there. I just kind of, I guess, rewrote. I didn't even have to do that, but we did it anyway. Alright, well, let's end this with one last problem. Whoops, meant to put a parentheses there. Let's multiply this out and call it the end on this section here. Man, so we have 2x times x is 2x squared. And then 2x times y is plus 2xy. And then we're going to go to the next one. Minus y times x is minus yx. Minus y times y is minus y squared. Can we simplify any of this down? Yeah, a little bit. We have 2x squared. These are some like terms here. We have a 2xy minus yx, so that's going to be just a plus xy, and then minus y squared. X squared plus y plus 3. Boy, this ought to do you in here. Okay. So we're going to start with the 2x squared. We're going to multiply the 2x squared times the x squared, so that gives us 2x to the 4th power. And then 2x squared times y, can't do anything with that, so 2x squared y, 2x squared times 3, so that's going to give us 6x squared. Okay, 2x squared times 3 is 6x squared. Then we go to the next one. Plus xy times x squared is x cubed. Y, xy times y is x y squared. And xy times 3 is just going to be plus 3xy. Now we're going to have to go down here. Negative y squared times x squared is negative y squared x squared. Negative y squared times y is negative y cubed. Negative y squared times 3 is negative 3y squared. Now we need to collect any like terms. We don't have, let's see, 2x to the 4th. This may not reduce down, but I'll rewrite it anyway. 2x squared y. Is there an x squared y? Yes, there is right here. And that's the only place. So these are the two here. 2x squared y, x. No, those aren't like terms. What? Okay, those aren't like terms. Plus 2x squared y. Yeah, we don't. Okay, let's see. 6x squared. Okay, I don't see any like terms on that. X cubed y. And there's not anything on that either. Xy squared. No. 3xy. Okay, this thing doesn't look like it can condense down at all. So I'm not even going to bother to rewrite it. Okay, so it reads from left to right. I had to rewrite it on the next line here. But it does not condense down. So there you go.